Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the manifestation box for June. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the June 2024 manifestation box by Gogh Jewelry Design just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, a little bit of an update. If you notice, last month I did not get this box, and this month I only have one instead of two. Normally I have been getting two of these every single month, and I absolutely love this subscription. Both of the bracelets I absolutely love. I can never figure out which one I like better, the normal bracelet or the wrap bracelet. I absolutely love this, but I'm trying to lighten my load a little bit. So Rena from Boxes and Deals and I were talking, and because she's the one that actually turned me on to this, she's the one that referred me to this company. So again, thank you. So we were talking and we were just thinking of coming up with an idea that we can do together. So what we came up with, and we asked the owner and she's on board. So basically we're going to start doing this box every other month. So bi-monthly on our channels, we're going to be doing them in the same month together. So then I'm going to be unboxing the manifestation box, showing you everything that's inside of this. And then if you want to know what came in the wrap bracelet, you can pop on over to her video, which I will have in my description box. If she ends up loading some month like after me or vice versa, then once the other one is, done and loaded, we'll have that link in there. But what we're going to be doing, like I said, is every other month, she'll get the wrap bracelet, I will get the manifestation box, and then you can see both of the options from two different creators that way. So I thought that would be better. Plus it'll save the owner instead of sending two to me and two to her every single month, actually use those for her customers to get, so she's not sending out so many different things for free. So anyways, that's what we're going to be doing this point moving forward. Is we're going to have it every other month. She'll have the wrap on hers, I'll have the manifestation on mine, and then you can still see both different variations, and I'm so excited for it. So again, her link will be down below in the description box with her channel. Just in case she doesn't have hers up, I will always have her channel there so you can check and see when it will be loaded. You can give her a subscribe while you're there. If you haven't done so already, it's free. She's amazing. I love her. You will too. So let's go ahead and dive into the manifestation box again for June 2024. They always come down inside of this box, which I love. Ready to manifest your dreams? Yes. Manifest the life you want to live. Plus, blue is my favorite color, so this is adorable. I love it. You could always save these boxes to store things in, especially like if you do journaling or stickers, stamps. They're perfect size to store stuff like that in there, or your jewelry, whatever you like. I did take my packing list off, and ended up opening that. So when we open up the box, you always have a handwritten card right on top, which that little touch is just so special and meaningful. So you have that. And then it's always closed with some type of a neat sticker. So let's break the seal and see what we have for this month. Down inside is everything that it comes with. You get a necklace, which should be in here. In here should be the bracelet and then the healing crystal. You have two meditation cards, one for you to keep or one for you to gift, or do whatever you would like with them, but you always get two every month. You have the paperwork on what we are working with for the month, which this month's theme says Joyful Connections. So you have this whole page here that you will, almost flew off my table. You have this whole page here that you can sit down and read this entire page just so you can see again what we're working with for this particular month. And then you also tell them when you sign up, well, for one, you tell them the necklace length and the wrist size. And then you tell them your zodiac sign, because then you actually get a horoscope every single month. So mine is Scorpio because that's what I am. So I have this whole page right here that I can sit down and read that goes over just my specific horoscope for the month. And I absolutely love that. So this box is literally tailored for you or the recipient and who it's going to if you give it to a gift. And then down inside, you do have some other paperwork that goes over some other amazing jewelry that they have to offer. They actually sell everything individual on their website as well. You can definitely go check out their website. I will have them linked down below, and you can use my code SheCrafty. Yes, SheCrafty for 20% off your first month's box or any of their shop items. So again, you can definitely go check them out. I absolutely love all of their jewelry. They have even bracelets, necklace, anklets. They have keychains. They even have a mystery box if you want like a mystery bracelet. I think their bracelets, they have some mystery boxes available. So they have so many different types of stuff on their site. You can definitely check them out. SheCrafty will save you that 20% off. So for the cards that you can keep in gift, friendship is born at the moment when one person says to another, "What, you too? I thought I was the only one." So there's that. Now let's go ahead and go with the necklace first. I almost said bracelet, but no, the necklace is in the box. It always comes down in this box, which you can keep your jewelry inside of here and store them in here. And with all of the crystals, or if there's anything hanging, or if there's anything at all, you always get a card and it explains the meaning of it. And I absolutely love that. So this is what the necklace looks like for this month. And then here is the card for it as well. So it says Flower of Life. The sacred geometry flower of life carries a wealth of symbolic significance, representing harmony, interconnectedness, and the fundamental patterns of curation. The symbol serves a potent reminder of the harmonious energy that permits our existence. So there is again the Flower of Life pendant. It's the same on both sides, and it actually kind of, it's like cut through, like I can see through it. So it's the same on both sides. It has a silver chain. Most of all of the chains do come silver, which I'm a silver girl, so I love it. But every now and then you might run across one that might be like a rose gold or like a yellow gold tone. But for the most part, they are all like the silver tone. And again, I love that. So let me hide this one. So there we go. So there is the necklace for the month. Again, the Flower of Life. And I love keeping these cards because you can always reference them. If you have like a crystal that you're not quite sure what the name is or what it does, you can always go back and kind of reference by the photo and match it up, and then you know what it is. So I always save them. So in here, you're going to have the cards again. That's for the healing crystal and for, oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Look at these colors. They're like a blue and green. They remind me of like, if you look at like the world globe, like when you see Earth, the blues, the greens, those are gorgeous. I love those colors. And then you have like these little ones right here. So, and then here's the healing crystal for the month. So let me grab, so the top part is pyrite, which is kind of weird because pyrite normally is more of like a goldish color. Luckily, these look more silver, because if they were like the gold that pyrite normally is, it definitely would not match. So this is more of like a silvery tone than a gold tone for some reason, but I'm glad. Because again, pyrite is normally like a gold, and I just don't do gold. Pyrite is a powerful protection stone which shields and protects against all forms of negative vibrations and or energy, working on the physical and emotional levels. It stimulates the intellect and enhances memory, helping to recall relevant information when needed. That's great. And then this other color, like this blue and greenish one, I guess I'm not even going to try to butcher that name. That is the name of this crystal. And for this one, it says it's also known as the teaching stone. The soft feminine energy of this stone stirs your curiosity and invites you to seek higher knowledge. The serenity of its turquoise blue color discharges negative energies, calms and allows truth and inner wisdom to surface and be heard. It is a stone of both gentleness and of power. It allows the fluidity of emotion expressions, grace, and poise. That is awesome. So now I see why the pyrite is with these, because they both like veer off negative energies. So I get it. But again, I'm just glad that it looks more silver and gold. So that is what it looks like. These will go on top. And then you have all of these other colors all the way around that I love so much. So there is the bracelet for this month. And then the healing crystal is a heart shaped right here. You can get any type of shape or size stone. So this is the one for this month, and it is a leopard jasper with its distinctive spots reminiscent of a leopard's coat, symbolizes protection, courage, and harmony. believed to shield against negative energies and instill a sense of bravery. It promotes inner peace and balance. Grounding and adaptable, it fosters a connection of nature and offers strength during life's challenges. So this one also veers off of negative energies as well. So all three of these that you get this month helps with veering out negative energies, which is great because we don't need no negative energies in our life. That's wasted energy right there. So again, here is the jasper, the leopard jasper. That's super pretty. And I love the different little design in there with the little spots that they say. That is so pretty. So that is the healing crystal, the bracelet, and the necklace for this month. Okay, you guys. So that is everything for the manifestation box. Again, don't forget to pop on over to Rena's video and see what she got in the Mother Earth Wrap Club. I'm so excited to see what her wrap looks like because if it is the same, oh my gosh, it is going to be beautiful. I love the wrap bracelets, you guys. But again, I love now that we're going to both be doing one each on our channels and every other month to lighten our loads. Especially right now, I have so much going on with my chickens and just, you know, my normal personal life, my things I got to do for work myself and everything. So it's just been a lot. So I've been cutting back a little bit if you haven't noticed. I've been actually, because I have to deal with all these chickens. I've had sick chickens. I'm dealing with them all the time. There's so much that I need to do. So I'm like, yeah, this would be a great little change. So there's that. Again, I will have her video down below in the description box along with her channel and the link that you can go and check out Gogh Jewelry Design. You can see all the individual items or you can see the 2 different subscriptions that they have. If you like a little bit more information about this, I will let you know the pricing. The pricing is actually the same for the manifestation box and the Mother Earth Wrap Club. The only difference is for the Mother Earth Wrap Club, you only get the wrap bracelet and then you get one little small gift item in there. It could be anything under the sun, just a small little mystery gift that you get in there, but it's mainly for the wrap bracelet. So you do not get your astrology, you do not get the necklace, you do not get the healing crystal, you do not get the manifestation cards. It is just for the wrap bracelet and then you get that free mystery item as well. So again, SheCrafty will save you 20% off the shop or your very first box if you are interested. If you do a month-to-month box, it is $39 per month. 3 months will bring your box price down to $36. A 6-month plan will bring it down to $34. And if you go to a full 12-month prepaid plan, it brings your box price down to only $33 per box. The owner also does donate and give back. So shopping with them, you're actually helping to donate as well. And I love that because then we're all helping each other. There's even a page on her website that goes over all of the different stuff about how she donates, where she donates to, and all of that. If you like to check that out, I will have everything linked down below in the description box for you. If you like to check out other companies, other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can check out my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com, and have it all there for you guys. So now that is everything. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. What did you think of the crystal for this month? Did you pop onto Rena's video? Do you like the wrap bracelet better? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew,